मालदा में जो कुछ हुआ वो यहां की सरकार की निर्ममता का उदाहरण है। दंगों में गरीब माताओं बहनों की जीवन भर की पूंजी राख कर दी गई। तुष्टीकरण के नाम पर गुंडागिर्दी को खुली छूट दे दी गई। जब सरकार चलाने वाले एक पार्टी के लोग, विधायक, कॉरपोरेटर ही लोगों के घरों को चिन्हित करके जलाते हैं और पुलिस तमाशा देखती है, तो उस भयावह स्थिति की कल्पना की जा सकती है। मैं बंगाल की भद्र जनता से पूछता हूं, क्या सरकारें ऐसे चलती हैं? यही भावे छोड़कर चलेगी? साथियों, बंगाल की जनता पर हो रहे इन अत्याचारों से यहां की निर्मम सरकार को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता। यहां बात बात पर कोर्ट को दखल देना पड़ता है। बिना कोर्ट के बीच में आए कोई भी मामला सुलझता ही नहीं है। बंगाल की जनता को अब टीएमसी सरकार के सिस्टम पर भरोसा नहीं है। यहां की जनता के पास अब सिर्फ कोर्ट का आसरा ही है। इसलिए पूरा बंगाल कह रहा है, बंगाल में मची चीख पुकार, नहीं चाहिए निर्मम सरकार।
Let me reply your question now in English. What Modi ji had said today, we are not only shocked, but it is very saddening to hear the voice of Prime Minister when all the opposition team, they are representing the country, the world. They are taking bold decision to protect the country's interest, national interest. Obviously, always we protect the country because it is our motherland. We will do that. But at that time, is it the time for Narendra Modi, Prime Minister of this country, and his presence of him? His minister said, like Operation Sindoor, they will do the Bengal operation also. Operation of Bengal. I challenge them. If they have the guards, you go election for tomorrow. We are ready and Bengal is ready to accept your challenge. But please remember, time is a factor. You must remember the timing. Our representative, Abhishek Banerjee, is also in the team. And he is shouting his voice every day against the terror, against the terrorism. And at that time, Mr. Modi ji, not as a Prime Minister, you are as a Prime Minister, as a BJP President, you are criticizing the government, which government is giving you full support, defending the country like anything. And you are accusing the government. And do you want to blame the opposition at this time, at this hour, to politicize the things? Just as a BJP leader, Jumla party, BJP Jumla party, some people are saying, it is not I am saying, that hopping, dupping, Dragons party, who are doing garbage of lies, They loot and scoot the country. And it won't look nice to talk in this manner, in a big way. Regarding Operation Sindoor, though I don't have any comments, but please remember, every woman, they have a respect. They take Sindoor from their husband. But PM Modi is saying just like, you are not the husband of everybody. Why you are not giving Sindoor to your missus first? Sorry to say, I should not go into all this matter, but you compel us. You compel us in the name of Operation Sindoor, the Bengal operation. That's why you compel us to open our mouth. Am I clear?